241 Stagger, verb walk falteringly. Synonyms, careen, falter. Antonyms, continue, stay. Sentence, if my father doesn't stagger on his decision, I won't be able to attend the sleepover. 242 Insolent, adjective bold. Synonyms, abusive, arrogant. Antonyms, cowardly, modest. Sentence, the captain put the insolent soldier on report. 243 Pompous, adjective arrogant. Synonyms, boastful, grandiose. Antonyms, humble, kind. Sentence, the millionaire was a pompous man who believed he should never wait in line for anything. 244 Deceitful, adjective dishonest. Synonyms, artful, deceptive. Antonyms, actual, authentic. Sentence, the early difficulties of Elizabeth's reign secured him a deceitful peace on that side for a time. 245 Diffidence, noun hesitancy. Synonyms, backwardness, doubt. Antonyms, arrogance, boldness. Sentence, Zakir was a diffident student who never stood up to his bullies. 246 Docility, noun agreement. Synonyms, conformity, consent. Antonyms, difference, refusal. Sentence, as soon as they shake hands, docility reflects from their gesture. 247 Amateur, noun casual participant. Synonyms, aspirants, beginner. Antonyms, expert, professional. Sentence, Nausea is considered an amateur makeup artist. 248 Propagate, verb breed. Synonyms, inseminate, multiply. Antonyms, decrease, deplete. Sentence, the political candidate hopes to propagate his vision to potential voters. 249 Dwindle, verb to become gradually less or smaller. Synonyms, decrease, diminish. Antonyms, rise, grow. Sentence, the members of this department have dwindled from 50 to 20. 250 Dampen, verb make wet. Synonyms, bedew, dabble. Antonyms, collect, dry. Sentence, even the red sun couldn't dampen her mood. 251 Tinsel, noun particular type of embellishment. Synonyms, color, design. Antonyms, plainness, eyesore. Sentence, his exuberant style is Venetian which he bestrews with tinsel and spangles. 252 Cordial, adjective friendly. Synonyms, affectionate, amicable. Antonyms, cold, cool. Sentence, if you treat people in a cordial manner, they will treat you well also. 253 Inborn, adjective natural. Synonyms, congenital, hereditary. Antonyms, acquired, learned. Sentence, at the same time the inborn gift of style can be starved or stimulated. 254 Justifiable, adjective reasonable. Synonyms, acceptable, admissible. Antonyms, illegal, improbable. Sentence, as long as a justifiable way to handle the problem is discovered, everyone will be in compliance with it. 255 Remissible, adjective well-founded. Synonyms, allowable, defensible. Antonyms, illegitimate, invalid. Sentence, this is remissible to apply for CSS exam. 256 Animosity, noun extreme dislike. Synonyms, acrimony, animus. Antonyms, friendliness, goodwill. Sentence, why do you have such animosity towards me when I have done nothing wrong to you? 257 Empathy, noun understanding. Synonyms, affinity, appreciation. Antonyms, disdain, hatred. Sentence, because her parents immigrated to the USA to give her a better life, Maria has empathy for illegal aliens. 258 Melancholia, noun low spirits. Synonyms, abashment, abjection. Antonyms, advantage, benefit. Sentence, after his examination result he was in melancholia. 259 Protuberance, noun lump. Synonyms, bulge, bump. Antonyms, depression, ingrowth. Sentence, he got protuberance after falling from the swing. 260 jubilant, adjective happy. Synonyms, elated, euphoric. Antonyms, depressed, discouraged. Sentence, laughing always puts me in a jubilant mood. For more upcoming new videos, subscribe our channel. Dawn Vocabulary with Urdu meaning. Like, subscribe, share and comments.